Hi everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Crystal and I am a freelance makeup artist that drives for Uber part-time. I do that for extra income, and unfortunately right now I can't be driving. So hopefully a lot of you guys are staying safe and staying home as well. This is part 2 of a Q&A series involving unemployment and the stimulus check. But before I get into this video, please hit the subscribe button down below. That would help us out so much. We would really appreciate it. And also, if you want to see me back on this channel, and if you want to see me even more on this channel, then please hit the like button. Go ahead and just hit it, and I'll be sure to come back. All right, let's go ahead and get into the questions and the answers to this part 2. All right, let's go ahead and get into this video. Some of you may be asking yourselves, do Uber and Lyft drivers need to stop driving to claim unemployment? And the answer to that is no, they don't. If you have been affected, if your earnings have decreased involving this whole virus, then you should be eligible for unemployment benefits. Question 2 of the series. Bye. All right, the sun is moving, so that means I gotta move a little bit too. All right, next question of this series. Okay, next question number 2. Okay, next, question number 2. What benefits do Uber and Lyft drivers get? What benefits do Uber and Lyft drivers get from the stimulus bill? And the answer to that question is unemployment. So all gig economy workers before would not be eligible for this, but right now, since we have fallen on hard times, we are eligible for unemployment benefits. The second thing is the stimulus. The second thing that we are eligible for is the stimulus check, and that is a $1,200 check coming from the federal government if you had filed your 2018 or 2019 taxes. Thank God we have some income coming to us. Although I heard stimulus checks may not be dispersed until the end of April, so I hope all of you have saved a little bit money or you have enough money to get by at this time. Okay, and question number 3. Do Uber, Lyft, and gig workers qualify for unemployment, and what does that entail? The answer to that is yes, you do qualify. This is called PUA, which stands for the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. So it's technically not unemployment benefits, but it does fall under that umbrella. It's also under the CARE Act, which is a new act aimed specifically toward gig economy workers. So I hope that settled some questions in your guys' mind. Once again, you guys were watching the Rideshare Hub, and my name is Crystal, and I will see you guys in part 3.